How to use Motive Fleet Management software. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason and welcome to my Motive Fleet Management review and tutorial. Motive is a comprehensive fleet management platform designed to enhance safety, productivity, and profitability for businesses across various industries. But is it the right solution for your fleet? Well, in this tutorial, I'll be exploring Motive's features, pros and cons, pricing, and real user reviews. By the way, Motive was formerly known as Keep Trucking. Before diving in, what is Motive and how does it work? Motive is a cloud-based fleet management solution that offers tools to monitor vehicles, ensure driver compliance, and maintain fleet health. It's widely used in industries like trucking, logistics, construction, and field services to streamline operations and improve safety. Now let's talk about its core features. For example, vehicle and asset tracking. With this feature, it provides users with real-time GPS tracking to monitor fleet location and optimize routes. It also offers driver safety and monitoring. With this, you'll be able to utilize its AI-powered dash cams to detect unsafe driving behaviors and facilitate coaching. And it also offers compliance and management by simplifying adherence to regulations like ELD mandates and IFTA reporting. In addition, you'll be getting access to maintenance scheduling. With this, you'll be able to track vehicles' health and schedule preventative maintenance to reduce downtime. You'll also get access to fuel expense and management, so you can monitor fuel usage and expenses to identify cost-saving opportunities. And with Motive platform, you'll also be getting integration capabilities, as it seamlessly integrates with various third-party applications for enhanced functionality. Now, let's talk about some use cases when it comes onto Motive. For example, it can be used for trucking and logistics companies, as it will help to enhance route planning, compliance, and driver safety. And I would also recommend it for construction firms, as it will help to manage equipment, vehicle utilization on job sites, and so much more. And if you're in the field service provider sector, I would recommend it also, as it will help to optimize dispatching and real-time tracking of service vehicles, and it can also be used for passenger transit services, as it will help to ensure safety and timely operations for passenger transport. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Motive. For example, it is user-friendly. Both drivers and fleet managers find the platform intuitive and easy to navigate. Not only is it user-friendly, but it also simplifies regulatory adherence, reducing administrative burdens. And they also offer a reliable customer support, so you'll be getting access to their 24/7 assistance with prompt responses. And it is also a scalable option, so whether you are starting now with a small fleet or you already have your designated fleet that you would like to use, Motive is the perfect solution for persons that want to grow their fleet. And it offers AI-driven safety features, which is definitely needed in this modern time. The only pullbacks I would say when it comes onto Motive is, based on my research, some persons say that it has occasional hardware issues, so a few users have reported challenges with hardware components such as dashcams, and there is a learning curve for advanced features. But if we were to talk about user reviews and ratings, as you can see right here, when it comes onto their ratings, it is quite high, as their G2 ratings is a 4.5 out of 5 stars, and users commend its user-friendly interface and robust feature set, though some mention a desire for extended data retention. And if we were to talk about their Capterra ratings, they also have a 4.5 out of 5 stars, as it is appreciated for its comprehensive compliance tools and responsive customer support, with minor notes on hardware issue. So overall, users find Motive to be reliable and efficient when it comes onto fleet management, with high satisfaction across various aspects. And if we were to talk about their pricing and plans, when it comes on to Motive, as you can see right here, how much does it cost? You can see based on their solution right here, pricing for Motive. Motive offers customized pricing based on fleet size and specific feature requirements. To obtain an accurate quote tailored to your business needs, it is recommended that you contact Motive directly. So in conclusion, is Motive worth it? Well, if you are seeking a comprehensive and user-friendly fleet management solution that enhances safety, ensures compliance, and boosts operational efficiency, Motive is a strong contender. Its scalable features cater to businesses of all sizes, making it a versatile choice in the fleet management landscape. However, if your fleet operations are minimal or you require only basic tracking functionalities, exploring simpler alternatives might be more cost-effective. What do you think? Are you going to give Motive a try? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.